I will be explaining to you this exercise. So we will consider the given discrete probability distribution. So we have here the table. We have the sample points, our x. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the corresponding probabilities, which is for 1, the probability of having 1 is 1 over 21. The probability of having 2 is 2 out of 21. The probability of 3 is 3 out of 21, 4 is 4 over 21, then 5 is 5 over 21, and 6 is 6 over 21. So look at here the probability of each sample points. 1 out of 21, if you are going to add all these probabilities, it would always equal to 1. Okay? So when you add 1 over 21 plus 2 over 21 plus 3 over 21, the result is equal to 21. When you add similar fractions, just copy the denominator, then add the numerator. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 6 is 21. So the sum of all the probabilities under this table is equal to 1. So another observation is that in discrete probability, the probability of each sample point should be greater than 0 but less than 1. If we talk about probability, your answer could either be greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 1. Okay? So suppose, for example, for number 1, what is the probability of x, of our variable x, of our x, which is less than or equal to 2? So we have here the probability of 2 and 1, meaning x which is less than or equal to 2, meaning we have 2 and 1. So what is the probability of having 2? That is 2 over 21, and the probability of having 1 is equal to 1 over 21. So we are going to add the two probabilities. Okay? So 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So the answer would be 3 over 21. So the answer is letter B. That is how you are going to answer in discrete probability. Okay? So all you have to do is to add each probability of the values of our x, which is equal or less than 2 based from the given table. In number 2, what is the probability of x which is greater than 1 but less than 5? So what do we mean by greater than 1 but less than 5? So meaning we have these numbers. Greater than 1 meaning 2, 3, 4. Less than 5, so 2, 3, 4. Ara siya in between of 1 and 5. Dili mula pas sa 5 kag dili mo gamay sa 1, in between 1 and 5. So we have here. So what is the probability of having 2? We have 2 out of 2 over 21. The probability of 3 is 3 over 21. The probability of 4 is 4 over 21. So we are going to add the probability of each sample point. So 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 9 over 21. So here is the answer. That is how you are going to answer. Again, if we talk about probability, your answer should be greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 1 if we talk about numbers or decimals or fractions. But if we talk about percentage, your answer could either be 0% to 100%. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.